Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and selecting the first class to field. Choose classes you've unlocked and match roles to mission objectives. Pick a tank for heavy waves, support when you need sustain, and DPS if you must burst bosses. Once chosen, equip a baseline loadout, basic weapon, one defensive mod, and a healing or damage consumable. This gets you into combat immediately while preserving flexibility. Make sure to note cooldowns and energy costs, so you won't be surprised in the first fight. Now you manage the complex middle of missions by rotating classes and exploiting their strengths. Swap to control classes to interrupt enemy attacks, then transition to DPS classes to capitalize on disabled foes. Timing is everything. Once done with crowd control, layer high-damage abilities and use utility classes to reposition or buff allies. Make sure to monitor ammo, overheat, and ability cooldowns. Conserve resources between skirmishes to avoid running dry. Adjust loadouts between runs, finish missions by coordinating final bursts and securing objectives. You want to sequence debuffs, then detonate with DPS to end boss phases quickly. Once the fight ends, immediately recover. Repair gear, spend resources on your most used classes, and redistribute skill points to shore up weaknesses. If something goes wrong, like repeated wipes, troubleshoot by swapping out mods, re-rolling loadouts for better synergy, or changing your party composition to include more sustain or specialist counters. That targeted change usually resolves persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.